Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to format a new hard drive, or flash drive in this instance, to work with both Mac and Windows on an Apple computer. You may have just gotten a new drive, plugged it into your Mac, and realized that you can't drag anything onto it. Or maybe you have a drive that you use often between a Mac and a PC, and it's read-only on one of those systems. That's because of the file system type that the drive is formatted in. There are a lot of different file system types that you can format as, but this video is to quickly and easily get your drive working without going deep into the different systems. Note that by going through these steps, you will be deleting everything from the drive and reformatting. So if you have anything on it, I would first make a new folder on the desktop and copy all the files into there. That way when you're finished, you can easily copy the files back onto your drive. When you're ready, select the search bar at the top and type disk utility. When Spotlight finds it, hit enter. Make sure that your drive is plugged into your system and choose it from the menu on the left. Underneath of the drive name, you will see the file system type that it is currently formatted as. NTFS is the basic Windows file system, which is built for Windows but is read-only for Mac, which is why we can't copy or write to the drive. At the top, choose Erase. In here, you can rename your drive if you want, and then select the new file system type in the next dropdown. macOS is obviously designed for the Mac operating system, but underneath of that are the ones that we're looking for. The first is MS-DOS or FAT. This is an older but reliable and universally compatible file system type. The main issue with this one though is, and why most people don't use it anymore, is because it's limited to file sizes less than 4 gigabytes. So if you're trying to save a file that's 4.5 gigs, it won't let you. The next, and the one that I use, is exFAT. This is also universal between Mac and Windows, but it doesn't share the file size restrictions that FAT does. With exFAT, you can have file sizes as large as you want. Choose exFAT and then hit erase. Your drive will then be reformatted with the new file name and file system that you've chosen. When you're finished, hit done and you can close disk utility. Test the new drive by double-clicking on it and copying over a file. You should see now that you can copy and save to the drive whether you're on a Mac or a Windows PC. And that's how you format a new hard drive or flash drive to work with both Mac and Windows on an Apple computer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.